Recipe is a soup recipe. You're going to boil the broccoli till tender, around 5 minutes in hot water with some salt. I'm using coarse salt. You can use any salt that you have. Just make sure, as shown, you see it's tender, and then switch it off and take out the broccoli from the water. Right now a fork can go through it. So I'm also going to save some of that water because it's best to use that water to blend instead of using just plain water, because that water has flavor and some of the broccoli nutrients in it. So I'm going to put it in a blender. Don't use a natural bullet, it must be a blender that can open at the top. Add the water, broccoli water, and just blend till smooth. If you don't have a blender, you can use an immersion blender or a potato masher. Just blend, keep blending till it's puree, soup-like basically, because we are making soup. Yeah, and this blender works. It's a very cheap blender. And then just transfer it to a bowl and now you can enjoy it. If you want it to be creamy, you can always add heavy cream, but I just like it like this. Is this perfect? So that's the broccoli soup. This is an up close look. It's so nice. Enjoy. So that is the first recipe, broccoli soup. So delicious, pure and easy.